Welcome to electricalworld360.com. In this video we are going to discuss about transformer. So what is a transformer? So basically transformer is an AC static device. So here we should understand that AC static device which transfers electrical power from one circuit to another circuit, and it can increase or decrease the voltage with corresponding decrease or increase the current, and without changing the frequency. Okay, so basically it works on the basis of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. That means we can say E equal to mdi by dt. Okay, so here you can suppose this is a transformer. Okay, sorry, suppose this is the transformer, and this is known as the primary coil and this is the secondary coil. The two coils possesses the high mutual inductance. If one coil is connected to a source of alternating voltage, that means AC voltage, so this is the AC voltage, then an alternating flux is set up in the laminated core. That means this will be the theta. So the most of which is linked with the coil, the other coil in which the process mutually inductance EMF. Okay, that means if we put an alternating voltage here, then there will be a magnetic inductance, that means which will produce a mutual inductance, and it will produce here the secondary EMF, and that will be known as the V2 or the voltage 2. Okay, so in this case we should know the first coil which electric current is fed from the AC, that means this coil is known as the primary winding, and the other, that means which forms the energy drawn out, this coil is known as the secondary winding. So in brief we can say the transformer is something a AC static device. This is the point 1, this is the point 2. AC static device. Static device means which does not rotate. That means the stationary device we can say, that is known as the static device, and it transfers the electric power from one circuit to another circuit, and it does not change the frequency, and it can increase or decrease the voltage with corresponding decrease or increase the current. Here I is the current and V is the voltage, and it is based on the Faraday's law of the electromagnetic induction, and where the two electric circuits are mutually inductive, that means the both are in mutual inductive influence of each other. So this was the part 1 video of this series of transformer. So if you want, you may follow us on Facebook, and please subscribe our channel, and if you liked our video, then please like this video. So thank you for watching our video.